In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode here on Snapchat. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, if you want to go ahead and enable dark mode here on Snapchat, begin by opening up Snapchat and then click on your Bitmoji or your profile icon up in the top left corner to open up your profile page. From here on your profile page, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open up your settings. And then scroll down on this page until you see the app appearance option. This is going to be right below the partner connection section and right above the delete account section. So go ahead and open that up and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Now from here you can select a few different settings. If you want to just make it always dark mode, just go ahead and select dark mode right here. You could even put it on always light, and then on top of that, you can put it on match system, which is what I personally recommend. On top of that, there's all these other themes if you have Snapchat Plus, but obviously I don't have that. But yeah, from here, simply go ahead and apply your theme, and you're good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.